In this video, we have discussed about the holography. What does mean the hologram? Actually, this holography is the technique. It's like photography. How is a photography? It's the same way it is a holography. The term hollow means it's complete, and hollow means it's whole, and it's a graph means it's graph. It's simply meaning of the right graph was. So it is a complete the detail of the complete about object, a complete recording a object. It's simply called as a holography. So it is a form of photography that allows an image to be recorded in three dimension. It is a photograph. Normal photography, it's a two-dimensional image. Here it's a holography. It has a third dimension is included. The technique of holography is optical store and read write process. That's mean the recording and re-recording the process. Here it is. The difference between the holography and photography is nothing but it's the black and white. The difference between the black and white photograph. It is a point-to-point recording of intensity of light rays that makes an image. Each point of photograph record just one thing, the intensity. That is a square of amplitude of the electric field of the light wave that illuminates the particular point. In the case of color photograph, slightly more information is recorded. In effect, the image is recorded 3 times viewed through 3 different color filters, which allows a limited reconstruction of the wavelength of the light and thus its color. The hologram are recorded monochromatically. The only one particular wavelength, it's not a color. So how is the recording is happening here? The recording, it is a to produce a recording. What will happen? The phase of the light wave at each point on image. The holography uses the one reference beam which is combined with the light from the scene or object. Another is object beam. There is a two beam of the light ray. Look at the picture, you can get an idea. When a coherent light beam is come from the source, by using the beam slitter, it can be divided into two parts. One is fall on the object, another one is simply reflected back to the photographic plate, or it's directly go to the photographic plate. This particular light is called the reference beam, and the light is a fall on the object is illumination beam. Then when it's light reflected or scattered by the object, it's back to the photographic plate, where that ray is called the object beam. When the reference beam and object beam both interfere, the interference pattern can be recorded at the photographic plate. So now we can, if these two beams are coherent, optical interference between the reference beam and object beam due to the superposition of the light waves produces serious intensity fringes that can be recorded in the photographic plane. These fringes from the type of diffraction of the film, which is called the hologram. It's a type of a diffraction grating. Central goal of holography is that when the recorded grating is later illuminated by a substitute reference beam, the original object being reconstructed. Here, when it is the same wavelength of the light can be illuminated the photographic plate, then it is the image can be reconstructed. That's the reconstruction process. What is it? If you look at that here, the reconstruction beam, that beam is conditioned, the beam is the same wavelength. What the wavelength we are using for the recording, the same wavelength we are the light can be eliminated. If light eliminated the photo plate, then a viewer look at a photographic plate, the image is, it's simply virtual image is here, the image is looking like, right? So when the process the holographic illuminator, it is the reference beam, the diffraction from the fringe pattern film reconstructs the original object beam, the both intensity and phase. Because of many viewpoints are stored, each of the viewer eyes sees the image from a slightly different angle, so the image appears three-dimensional. This is known as a stereophysis. Viewpoint see the image rotate. So the construction is the another way. It's simply here it is look at that this is a object. When it is laser light, then it's a splitter beam. It is a two, right? Lens is spread the beam is here, the light are fallen here. This is a reference beam. Then object, these two are combined together making one reference pattern. The image is recorded here. It is another way of the construction. It is the laser light, then the beam slitter, then it is using the mirror. It can be here, and then it is up from object. It can be both can be. So it is another diagram of the thing is when the light is come to the photographic plate, one is the direct beam, another one is from object. This is only the concept. So what is a diffraction grating? The diffraction grating is a transparent or reflective sheet. That thing, diffraction grating, it's simply what is that? We are all familiar on the diffraction grating already. It is n number of slit, nothing but when it is light is passed through the slit, then it is get the diffraction. The diffraction image is formed the screen. The same way here, the hologram constructed, the reference beam and the object beam is interfere with one another, the interference pattern. The light parts become clear. When these photographs develop, the light parts become clear and the dark parts become opaque. That way, the clear light parts become like a slit of the diffraction grating, and the angle at which they bend incoming light determined by the spacing between them, which is a tonus determined originally by the object beam, reference beam, mode. Okay, the way it is reproduced. Then what are the uses of the application or uses of the holograph mean? It is a lot of applications are there. Some of the key applications here I mentioned to you is data storage, then digital camera, that's digital holography. It is an alternate method to record holograms. Use a digital device like CCT camera instead of a conventional photographic film. And then it is use of the holography in banknotes, holography in art. These and all, it's some of the key features. It's a recording process, reconstruction process. Thank you. So this is a